The 2021 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. The third-gen Dodge Durango has been on the market for almost a decade, and now Dodge has instilled it with Hellcat power. With 710 horses in a 3-row family SUV, Dodge has put the Durango on a pedestal and has taken the center stage in the segment. The Durango is now the most powerful factory-built SUV on the planet. For a machine this big to sprint to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds is a cardinal sin. But, what can we say, we still love it and are chuffed to bits with the announcement of the Dodge Durango Hellcat. One hell of an engine, huh? What exterior enhancements does the Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat have? Dodge hasn't given a vastly different look to the Durango SRT Hellcat, but it has a tinge of muscle design integrated into it. At the onset, it looks beefed up and shares the flair with the Dodge Charger widebody. Dodge has offered 3 different grille designs on the 2021 Durango across trims. 2 of them are shared amongst the other 5 trims, whereas the SRT Hellcat exclusively receives one of them. This is a low-gloss black grille with large openings for improved cooling. Dodge has skipped the fog lights in favor of air vents to provide more air to cool the hot V8 engine. A front splitter is also present on the SRT Hellcat. The SUV comes with 20-inch machine-faced wheels with mid-gloss black design wrapped in Pirelli Scorpion Zero all-season tires as standard. However, you can choose to opt from any of the other 5 wheel designs and Pirelli P0 high-performance tires as well. The SRT Hellcat trim features exclusive badges on the fenders. These are finished in chrome as standard, but you can have them finished in neutral gray metallic with the optional black package. The rear features racetrack LED taillights that add to the sportiness quotient of the powerful SUV. Dodge has equipped a redesigned and reshaped spoiler at the back that offers downforce at higher speeds. The company noted that when traveling at its top speed of 180 miles per hour, the spoiler can provide a downforce of up to 400 pounds. As for the exterior shades, the Dodge Durango is available in 11 exterior colors. Billet Silver DB Black Destroyer Gray F8 Green Granite in Violet Octane Red Reactor Blue Redline Vice White Knuckle. Dodge is offering up to 5 styles of dual racing stripes for you to choose from. There's black with red accents, bright blue, flame red, gunmetal low gloss, and sterling silver. Does the Durango Hellcat look like a Challenger on the inside? Dodge has opted for a Challenger-inspired driver-oriented cockpit for the Durango SRT Hellcat. The gauge cluster and the infotainment system are integrated into one unit, which is a big difference from the previous gen Durango. This heavily rejigged dash and center console setup now feels a lot more spacious and organized. The flat-bottom steering wheel is lifted from the Challenger and also comes with paddle shifters behind it. The SRT logo on the Hellcat's steering wheel is backlit in red. As for the instrument cluster, the 2021 Durango also features a new unit and the SRT Hellcat features red gauges. The center console features a 10.1-inch touchscreen. It runs on FCA's Uconnect 5 infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as Amazon Alexa. The buttons and knobs for the HVAC controls are placed below in an organized manner that doesn't make it look all cluttered. The shifter console is also redesigned and has cup holders and cubby holes. This time, there's a slot to place the key fob right behind the gear shifter and a wireless charging pad in front of it. This area also sees a generous application of forged carbon fiber trim. The same is present on the dashboard and door panels as well, again, something exclusive to the SRT Hellcat. The ventilated seats are wrapped in Nappa leather with suede front seats and embroidered Hellcat logo. The red theme is followed here as well. You can also opt for Laguna leather interior in black and demonic red that includes an embossed Hellcat logo, if Nappa leather is not your thing. How powerful is the Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat? The Durango SRT Hellcat is all about that 6.2-liter, V8 Hemi-supercharged mill under the hood. This engine churns out 710 ponies at 6,100 revolutions per minute and 645 pound-feet of twist. Power is sent to all the wheels via a TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic transmission. The 2.38-liter supercharger installed here is paired with twin-screw rotors to minimize the air leakage, which in turn maximizes the performance. This supercharger has a maximum speed of 14,600 revolutions per minute and has a drive ratio of 2.36:1. Thanks to an integrated electronic bypass valve, it can regulate boost pressure up to 11.6 psi. Dodge engineers created a special cooling circuit that includes a water pump, coolant reservoir, and a heat exchanger. It helps keep the intake air temperatures below 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Other than this, there are a few more components that attribute to making this the most powerful SUV on the planet today, narrowly beating the Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk's rating of 707 horses. Cast iron engine block with water jackets between the cylinders for optimal cooling, aluminum alloy cylinder heads, forged steel crankshaft, specially tuned crankshaft damper, forged alloy pistons and powder forged connecting rods, piston cooling oil jets. Thanks to the powerful specs, this 3-row SUV takes just 3.5 seconds to sprint to 60 miles per hour from a standstill. The top speed is rated at 180 miles per hour, which falls just short of the Bentley Bentayga's top speed of 190 miles per hour. The Durango SRT Hellcat takes just 11.5 seconds to the quarter mile, and according to the National Hot Rod Association, it is 1.5 seconds faster than the Durango SRT 392 on a 2.1-mile road. The Durango SRT Hellcat comes with an upgraded suspension setup that offers more responsiveness with a 20% increase in total rebound control and more grip with reduced understeer that allows the driver to chuck the SUV around the corners comfortably. It also handles much better in auto as well as track modes. It's a good thing that Dodge has paid special attention to it, since SUVs have a high center of gravity. And with so much power at disposal, things can get ugly quick if the mechanicals don't play their supporting part well. Other than this, the Durango SRT Hellcat is also offered with race-inspired Brembo brakes, launch control and launch assist, 7 drive modes, auto, sport, track, snow, tow, eco, and valet, electric power steering with selectable steering tuning, and 3 driving settings, street, sport and track, and custom. Dodge has also said that the Durango's equipped with the smaller 5.7-liter Hemi engine can tow up to 7,400 pounds. The automaker is also offering a tow and go package that allows you to tow up to 8,700 pounds, but this is available only on the RT trim with the smallest mill. How much does the Durango Hellcat cost? Dodge has not announced the pricing of the SRT Hellcat yet. The other SRT model retails at $62,995 for the 2020 model and could see a hike of a couple of $1,000 for the 2021 model year. So, keeping that in mind, we are speculating the SRT Hellcat to be priced in the ballpark of $85,000. Final thoughts. With the Dodge Caravan's recent demise, Dodge was left with just 3 vehicles in its lineup. And, with the addition of this powerful engine in the Durango, all the Dodge vehicles now have Hellcat trims on offer. The Durango has put all its competitors on notice. The Hellcat trim will be an expensive buy, but you can expect it to sell in big numbers. It gives you the performance of a muscle car in an SUV body that can seat 7 people. That makes it a perfect family SUV as well, and a great track vehicle as well. Bookings for the 4th Gen Durango will open soon, and the model will start arriving at dealerships in 2021.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.